Performance is so vital for virtual desktops because there's a person behind that desktop moving that mouse every minute of the day. And we've got customers on our platform 24/7 in multiple shifts that cannot sustain a minute of downtime. That means if there's something wrong with that platform, no one's doing any work. There's no customers being handled, there's no patients being served. That's mission critical. And as we have grown and we've gone after newer and more advanced use cases, we've come to realize that lives are actually depending upon our platform to be there and to be up and to be available. And that's a huge responsibility. I'm Rob Green, CTO and co-founder of Dizzion. The company was started in 2011. Our goal was to change the way the world works by leveraging our experience in cloud as well as kind of the market direction in end-user computing. VDI has been around for years. The challenge was VDI has always had a bad experience over the wide area network. When you try to get outside of your four walls, the experience became very, very poor, right? Everyone hated to do that. And that application, instead of taking 2 seconds to load, it takes 5 seconds to load. The user sees it. That's part of the experience. And all those little ticks against you really impact how that user feels about working in that desktop. If you're moving your mouse and it's crisp and your applications are responsive, you feel good. You feel, like you can get your work done. The computer's keeping up with your brain. So when we came into the market, we said, look, our product has to be faster than the fastest MacBook Pro out there at the time. That was our litmus test. Is it faster than a MacBook Pro? So we built our own cloud infrastructure from the ground up. Everything we put in place was ours. All the way down to our servers. We took things out of the server that would take away from that end user experience. The ease of use and the performance are kind of our claims to fame. It's really what we kind of hang our hat on. In order for a customer to provision a desktop in our environment, all they have to do is create a user in Active Directory. That's it. To have that ease of use, it really proliferates throughout the organization, and it becomes very easy for us to then scale the business, scale our technology, and then also deliver on the value of VDI to the customer, and so they can realize the benefits that they have been chasing for years and years and years. It's systems like Turbonomic that allow us to focus in on the value add of our business and the things that push our business forward without having to worry about the mundane things. Before Turbonomic, we were doing things like running manual reports, writing scripts to pull out this piece of data, that piece of data, trying to ensure our customers that the underlying infrastructure was okay and it was their application that was the problem. Now we're focusing on more value-added, innovative solutions to our customers' problems, and our operations guys are now embedding ourselves deeper into our customers and actually understanding what they're doing. That one change allows us to now focus on innovating the platform versus making us watch every single little blip and blop and workload this and having to focus our energy there. If you think about just doing something like that, that's when I was one. And that's why Turbonomic is at the heart of what we do every day. How we manage our scale, how we manage our hyper growth, how we manage our end user experience and that high level of performance. It's critical for us from a decision-making perspective. It helps us to kind of keep our reins on this thing that's growing. If you can imagine, growing at 100+% year over year, going into different markets, it's easy to get things to get out of control. Performance is of the utmost because virtual desktops are mission critical. They are tier 0. We didn't know it getting into the business, but now we are keenly aware of it because it directly impacts user experience, and you've got to make sure that you have a highly responsive user experience. And really, the value of Turbonomic is they help us deliver on our promise to our customers of high-end user experience, amazing performance, and it doesn't take all my engineers' time to do so.